In Kurdish, if you want to say I just woke up, you say Ez anaha hushyar bum. If you want to learn everyday conversations like these and finally start learning beginner Kurmanji Kurdish, you are in the right place. But don't wait too long. Enrollment for my Kurdish course is closing in a few hours, and I don't know when I will open it again. Click the link here or in my profile to enroll. With this course, you will learn Kurmanji Kurdish for daily life. You will cover all the basics step by step, study in a fun, clear, and effective way at your own pace. You will get access to a student community and my daily practice exercises to improve your Kurdish. Plus, you can try the course risk-free with a 14-day money-back guarantee. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link and start learning Kurdish today. I'll see you inside the course.